arrived unexpectedly fast. It feels like just yesterday I was wrapping up in warm blankets and staring far into distance through barren trees at naked landscapes. And suddenly, almost out of nowhere, I find myself surrounded with flowers. Instead of blankets, there are tall ancient trees sheltering me with their young green foliage. Instead of barren landscapes and naked hills, there is lush grass and wildflowers swaying gently in the warm May wind. When did it happen? How did life so suddenly turn into a dreamy fairy tale? I am afraid to say I missed the exact moment, but I am inhaling every bit of it right now. I'm yearning to be outside, touch grass with my bare feet, and welcome this new season of life with an open heart. I spent this past week enjoying slow, though at times hectic, life with family. I came to England alone as a teenager, so whenever family comes to visit, I take days off for as long as I need to fully surrender myself to these fleeting moments. You know, part of my videos have a slight fantasy or escapist element to them, but it is still truthful. I share the slow and mindful lifestyle and thoughts in my videos, and I do indeed live it. That is not to say that I don't have my own struggles and chaos, or that work and living doesn't overtake every breathing second of time. But I put as much effort as I can to stay mindful. So, when a moment requires my presence in real life, I prioritize that. I read about love languages a long time ago and figured that the way I give love is mostly through quality time. I find that the way I give love and receive love are a little bit different, but sharing experiences with people is something that brings me immense joy. So when I spend time with others, I make sure that I give as much attention as I can to the person near me. I love to cook for people, make treats, take them to my favorite places and hidden gardens I discovered on some of my walks. That means that the phone and any other technology stays on a further shelf. So this week was used as a sort of digital detox as well as family time. So today, as I get back to my work schedule and regular routine, I simply want to share a peaceful moment from my life. Making mini lemon tarts, enjoying spring blooms and gentle sunshine before a week of rain that is forecasted over the coming days. These lemon tarts didn't turn out as pretty as I wanted them to be, but so delicious that I wanted to share them anyway. After all, I make it not only for the beauty, but for a shared experience. I sort of stopped striving for perfection and now try to let go of control at times when it's not required. I thought that perhaps just because it didn't turn out as picture perfect as I wanted it to be, I shouldn't share it. But as much as I love to share beauty, I also love to share the realistic side of life. I fail a lot, but every failure is a step to improvement. I believe it only makes us stronger and more capable. I hope your life has been peaceful lately, and if not, I hope to have given you a moment of calm today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I will see you next week.